Three-time winner Craig Simpson and a four-time champion Aliana McMaster emerged the top shooters at the Driftwood Gun Club shoot at the 17-station Murphy Hill course in St. Anne recently. Denise Waters has our summary.
Both Craig Simpson and Aliana McMaster bagged 95 out of 100 targets to dominate the packed field, which included the best gunners on the island, such as 9-time national shotgun champion Ian Banks, 6-time national shotgun champion Sean Barnes, 4-time national shotgun champion Christian Sasso, Chad Zaidi, the 2022 national shotgun champion, as well as 5-time national female shotgun champion Wendy McMaster. Aliana already created history by being the first female to make it to A-class in late 2023. Her score of 95 is the highest by any female locally. Now a tense duel between the two ensued in a shoot-off to determine the winner. McMaster won the toss and invited Simpson to shoot first. He picked off 6 of the 8 targets, while she bagged 4.
You know, winning is always an amazing feeling. Is what keeps us going. You know, I tell everybody that I don't think I leave my house if I was not coming here to win. You know, I'm hungry for the win. Today we had a fair amount of wind, and that made the targets, you know, varying. The lines were not consistent, and you had to pay attention. And it was a game of focus today. You know, I was really locked in today, and I seen the targets well, and I was able to hold it together, you know, through to the end.
McMaster, the ladies' champion, was also the top junior.
After you have a reputation or a kind of an expectation from, you know, the people coming to the shoot, it can get to you and really like mess with your head, and I feel like it can play a big part in how that day goes. But I just had to remember that I had to just approach it like any other shoot and just do my best. And frankly, winning for a 4th time in a row is honestly such a great feeling, and I'm absolutely grateful for it.
Sasso was the A-class champion. Gordon Buckner won the B-class. Brandon Leng bagged the C-class honors. Lorian Harris and Seymour Esser won the D and E classes respectively. The Hunters or beginners class went to Philip Burgess, while Craig Powell emerged the best sub-junior.
We're a bird shooting club, but from that we decided to go into sporting clays because our club membership was a little bigger at the time, so we decided that we wanted to have our own shoot. We would earn as a profit from the shoot. We would give back to some of the communities in Treasure Beach where we do shoot birds.
Over 150 shooters took part in the competition. Denise Waters for TVJ Sports.
Now,